trying to get this baby dressed, but she's being silly. Hi! What are you doing? Hey! Hey, what are you doing? Can we get some clothes on you? Can we get some clothes on you? Uh-oh, someone's getting hiccups. Maybe not. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna get dressed today? You gonna get dressed today? Here's your shirt. Put your shirt on. Put your shirt on. Can you put it on? Let go. Nice tooth. Nice tooth. You got a toother. Yes. What else? What else do you know? Huh? What else do you know? What else do you know? I know you're silly. It's your toy. You better get some clothes on. You're silly. We better get you dressed so you don't get cold. Better get you dressed so you don't get cold, little monkey. You say bye-bye? You say bye-bye? You say bye-bye? Whoa. Bye-bye.